Today, I'm going to show you how to make stuffing. We have our bread chunks here, great. Go ahead and set that aside. 3/4 cup of butter. This is unsalted butter. You can use salted butter if you want. So I have my stovetop heat set on medium, and we're going to go ahead and just melt down our butter here. This is diced celery. It's about 1.5 cups. It doesn't have to be exact. 1 large onion, and then a few cloves of fresh garlic. Cook down these ingredients until they're a little bit soft. About 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm not gonna overdo the salt. Better to underdo it and have people add salt themselves. Teaspoon of ground pepper. And then I have a tablespoon of a mixed Italian spice seasoning. Now let's go ahead and remove this from the heat. I'm gonna go ahead and add my bread to it. Vegetables. 1 cup of our 2 cups of chicken broth. And you can use vegetable broth too if you like, if you don't want to use chicken broth. Okay, we take our other cup of chicken broth and we'll add in our eggs to it. We'll add in this mixture. And then we'll go ahead and make sure it's all coated again. Let's go ahead and get our stuffing all in there. Awesome, and let's just spread it out. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, our other 1/4 cup of butter, and put it on the top here. And now let's cover it with foil, and then we're gonna bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Remove the foil, and then bake it for another 40 to 45 minutes until the top edges and whatnot get a little bit golden brown. All right, on to that step, and then it'll be done. The stuffing is done, turned out fantastic. Take care. Time for me to dive into some of this. Oh yeah.